lovely gardening friends, how are you today? I'm Mark, I'm a biotech geek and your gardening freak. Today I would like to simply answer a few questions concerning the use of soil conditioners. This question comes quite often as we are more and more aware of the importance of organic gardening. So what we do very obviously is we use organic fertilizers, which is very well. But we can do a little more than that for ensuring total success with our plants because, as we know, plants live in a soil environment, and in this environment we have to consider what is called the microbial microflora. So it is a biome. It is a microbiome constituted of an incredible quantity and variety of different types of microorganisms that live together and that help also the plant to become absolutely beautiful and healthy. So what we have to do when we do organic gardening is to enhance the capacity of the soil to encourage and to sustain plant growth. And what we do is we use soil conditioners for that. So they go together perfectly well, just like horse and carriage, to ensure total success to all gardeners. And this is perfect in the conditions of organic gardening. So when you go organic, you use organic fertilizers, and we also use soil conditioners. So soil conditioners are able to help plants to grow using three mechanisms, and each one of these three mechanisms will be the subject of a video, of its own individual video, so that the explanations are very complete and very clear on what is the mechanism of action of those soil conditioners. And there are three modes of action, three distinct and very well characterized modes of action for allowing plants to develop completely. So the first type of mode of interaction is to encourage what is called the rhizophagous cycle. The other type of mechanism is to allow the differentiation of stem cells that are found here and there in the plant. And also the third mechanism of action is to stimulate the systemic resistance of plants to disease. So taken together, these three mechanisms go way beyond what the simple application of plant nutrients or organic fertilizers can do. This bioponic soil conditioner will encourage those bacterial populations that perform the rhizophagous cycle. And there's also another thing that has to be added. If you want to enrich the soil of your plants, like your tropical plants, your tropical vines, or the soil in which our lovely friend Valerie grows right here, well, what you have to do is to add a little bit of a component that is called vermicompost, or earthworm manure. Because you see, in the natural environment, what happens is that the earthworm is a bioreactor whose function is to amplify the beneficial bacterial populations that are found in the soil. So it explains the reason why a fertile soil contains a lot of earthworms. So don't add earthworms to plants that grow in containers, okay? They are very useful in the garden, but not in containers. Instead, just add something like 1 or 2 tablespoons of earthworm manure to the surface of the soil in which the plant is growing in its container, and then every time you water, you provide the bioponic soil conditioner. So you will really boost the natural efficiency of those microorganisms that are found in earthworm manure, inside and outside as well. So it's a very, very, very powerful trick, and believe me, the bioponics soil conditioner will tremendously enhance the activity of those beneficial bacterial populations that feed your plants 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, year-round, indoors as well as outdoors. So this is a very, very, very good green thumb trick. So it explains one reason why we should provide our plants with a microbial probiotic soil conditioner. It works every time. So there you have it. We have seen the reasons why we have to use a soil conditioner to allow plants to grow very well and differentiate many stems and many flowers and many leaves, and to be resistant to disease, and also to be perfectly well fed using these three mechanisms: the rhizophagous cycle, the stem cell differentiation, and the systemic resistance of plants to disease that is stimulated. So taken together, all these mechanisms will allow your plants to grow perfectly well and show much more vigor and much more productivity than just feeding them from time to time with organic plant food. Very obviously, we have to avoid the use of salt-based nutrients that will kill the life forms that are found in the soil and that are so important for allowing plants to be healthy naturally. So we give a good help to Mother Nature by using a microbial probiotic such as the bioponics soil conditioner. You give your plants a favor by using this conditioner. And also, if you grow orchids, they will love their treatment with the bioponics soil conditioner, because the making of their flowers have to do with the stimulation of the stem cells that are located at the base of each and every leaf. So you will produce many flower spikes on your orchids when you treat them regularly with the bioponics soil conditioner. And this research has been done in the beautiful country city of Singapore. And believe me, they know a thing or two about orchid culture over there. So by mimicking and encouraging those natural phenomena that allow your plants to thrive and grow something wonderful, well then, you ensure complete success, no matter if you are a beginner or a professional. Especially if you are a professional, you will sure see those effects taking place very rapidly because of your keen eye and keen sense of observation. Don't be surprised to see your lovely plants go bonkers for their bioponics microbial soil conditioner. Well, time to go. Thank you for sharing the videos on the living soil. It's for a good cause. It's helping the cause of urban agriculture, food sovereignty, food resiliency, organic local horticulture and gardening for everybody at the reach of each and every gardener. So keep taking good care of your lovely tropical plants, your lovely vines, your lovely spider plants, your orchids, your sansevieria, and also your beautiful banana tree if you have one. And in the meantime, have a great day and we will see you soon. Ciao.